Hello, ma'am. Good day. So this is my prelim activity 3, and as you can see, I have already created the components, and I have added an additional component to show that I understood the flow and the connections between the components, the assets, the styling, and the back end. So what I have here inside my backend are the arrangement. I have the logo, I have the student info, and the biography, and this is the footer. So in order for me to run the app, I have to start the server. So npm run dev. I now have the server link, and when I open it here and have the connection, so I have the image, the name, and then the designation, as well as a short biography. I'm a student passionate about life. And then here I have the footer. They are all dynamic. They adjust dynamically according to the setup of my CSS here. Now what I did to set up the environment is I started from, let me stop the server first. I started checking my node version and my npm version by doing this. Before I began coding, I noticed that I have an older version similar to my npm. And so what I did was I updated or reinstalled my version to make sure that I have the latest version using this command. After I did that, these are the versions I now have. And by doing so, I can now create a project using Vite at 6. And for some reason adapt. And after that, it asked me to install the npm, and then I did. And now I can use React Native to code a mobile application. Now inside my component, I have a biography which I called bio. This parameter will later be very important because inside my application setup, I used that as a variable so that this value I can modify inside this component, similar to my logo and then student info as well as the footer. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you.